Good morning, guys, welcome back. So we back at Gunter Gully again this morning. So this time around, guys, we are a little earlier. So have a look here, the water's quite full. So yesterday we fished with a little bit of cracker and we got some fish. So this morning, guys, we're going to try something slightly different. We got a bit of sardines and we're going to try that. So once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Gunter Gully Fishing. It's a new channel. It's actually a backup channel. Yesterday, towards the early parts of the morning, guys managed to get quite a bit of grunter. They were nice sizes, in excess of 40 centimeters. So let's have a look here before the water runs out this morning, guys. So stay tuned. Let's see how it goes this morning. So just a reminder, guys, we have these new, let's call them bait trays. So guys, these things are put here for our benefit. So let's try and look after it. And guys, when you're fishing here, try and keep the place as clean as possible, so we can all benefit from it. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, we got a slight easterly. So the wind's right in front of us, guys. It's really pleasant here this morning. Have a look at the rod in the meantime. So let's try and find something that is slightly bigger. The water is running out. So guys, once again, don't forget to subscribe to Gunter Gully Fishing. And obviously to Off-Road for Life.
Mosquito, no, don't worry, small, big in the taking range.
Yeah.
Very small fish, man.
Look at some of these grunters. Look, they've been spawning. Look here.
Very small.
Back on, guys.
The mullet not so much mullet now, but the other fish, grunter is quite a few. Mullet not so good.
Yes,
That's nice. It's getting bigger and bigger. In fact, he's a
slightly
big one.
bigger. Yeah. Getting slightly bigger, guys. So that's another little silver bream, guys, or a Cape stump nose. Back in, guys. Another grunter. So guys, the tide has run out completely now. You can see across there those banks. So there's very little water in the bay in this area. So I think it's best that you fish on a high tide. But there is some fish here, guys, but they're smaller. Guys, that's the end of another fishing this morning. Spent a bit of time here in Gunter Gully. Fishing was not all that fast. There was a little bit of fish. So I think the best time to fish is possibly on the higher tide. As you can see, guys, the water's run out. There are huge banks out there. The fish has possibly moved into the deeper grounds. Suddenly got a easterly, so it's a little chill in the air. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Cheers.